Hello to you, Mark Hall here with your fine wine market update. Today, the 8th of March 2013. So, what's been happening this week? Well, February's market results have been released and all indices posted gains last month. Now, the LiveX 100 index is up 3.05% and the 500 index up 2.42%. And the investable index, which is, by the way, an index that aims to mirror the wines that are found in typical investment portfolios, well, that was up by 2.54%. Now, breaking these numbers down is obviously where the interest lies, and these days it might be fair to say that the influence of Robert Parker, the most important wine critic in the world, I would say, for many years, is starting to wane. However, he does have a fair bit of clout when it comes to market movements, as his looming in-bottle tasting on March the 1st of the 2010 vintage showed. In anticipation of these tastings, well, trade for the 2010 vintage rose by 7.8% in February. But saying that, it doesn't seem that high when you consider that the 2010 vintage was still overshadowed by both the 2006 and 2008 vintages, which took 10% each of the trade. Now, the 2009 vintage took 15%, with the Costa Estornel from this vintage doing particularly well. Bordeaux's share of the trade rose in February, which was probably driven by Parker's up-and-coming reviews, while Burgundy's trade fell a little bit from the previous highs, but it still scooped up 4.6% of trade on the exchange. The Rhone, an area that I don't often mention in these reports, well, that took 4.7% of the trade, and Italy's trade rose, but not enough to get excited about, I'm afraid. Now, all in all, the market does seem to be finding its feet again, and for investors looking for value and good potential gains, that is, well, there is much to be found away from the first growths. So remember, if you'd like to be able to buy and sell wines at trade prices and take advantage of short, medium and long-term gains, well, you can register with us for a trading account. All you've got to do is visit astonlovell.com or call us on 0208 858 9990 and we will be happy to help you. Now, once registered, you will be able to buy and sell wines at the touch of a button from LiveX using our unique trading platform. Now, apart from the obvious benefits, ease of trade and transparency, well, buying and selling wine in this way is simply the most cost-effective method in the market. Well, that's it for this week, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday.